Days of the week.
All right. So, days of the week. All right. There are 7 days in 1 week. Now, here they are. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay? So, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday are weekdays. Saturday, Sunday are the weekend. Okay? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday are the weekdays. Saturday, Sunday are the weekend. All right? Now, we can write these in a short way, and let me show you how to do this. It's very easy. You take off Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. All right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay? So again, these are the weekdays: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and the weekend: Saturday, Sunday. Now, when we talk about days, we say on the day. For example, we can say on Monday, or on Saturday. On Monday, on Saturday. All right? So, for example, our classes are on Monday. Our classes are on Monday. Or we go to the cinema on Saturday. We go to the cinema on Saturday. Our classes are on Monday. We go to the cinema on Saturday. Now, another one with the days is every, is one, there's two. We can say every Monday. Every Monday. Or we can say Mondays. Mondays. This is the same, okay? However, so with every, there is no on, but here there is. So every Monday, on Mondays. So notice that. We can also say every Monday or Mondays. It means every Monday or usually on Monday. With every, we don't use on. All right, let's practice. Susan, when do you work?
I work on every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.
Okay, no on. I work every Monday. Okay, you say it.
I work every Monday.
Okay, good. Do you work on weekends?
No, I don't.
All right. Ali, when do you go to football games?
I go to football games on Fridays.
Ah, do you go every Friday?
No, I don't.
All right. Isabel, when do you go to the cinema?
I usually go on Saturday.
Do you go every Saturday?
No, I don't.
Susan, do you eat breakfast on Sundays?
Yes, I do.
All right. And Ali, do you get up early on Sundays?
No, I don't. I get up late on Sundays.
Lucky. Isabel, do you go to bed late on Fridays?
Sometimes.
All right, thank you very much. Now it's time to look and listen.